we're going into Reconstruction, all right? So you may hear me refer to this as just simply Reconstruction, or you may hear me say Civil War Reconstruction a lot, okay? Because this is the period after the Civil War where they were trying to build things back up. Because remember, the South's economy went down and it fell. So now they're trying to pretty much change it and bring everything back together. All right, so here is our standard SS4H6. So we're going to analyze the effect of Reconstruction on American life. So this standard addresses life after the Civil War, like I said. You all will understand that amendments were added to the Constitution to reinforce the end of slavery. You all will also be able to analyze the fact that even though slavery was abolished, literary prejudices in the South led to the passage of the Jim Crow laws, which we'll learn more about, and kept many inequities firmly in place. Former slaves often became sharecroppers and tried to make a new life for themselves. The Freedmen's Bureau was created to help the newly freed slaves to make the transition to new ways of living. Alright. So here's the overview of the standard, broken down by different elements. So today we are pretty much going to focus on describing the purpose of the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments. Alright. So students will describe the purpose of the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments. You'll understand that the 13th Amendment was that slavery would not be allowed to exist in the United States. It ended with no argument in the United States over whether slavery should be legal. Then we look at the 14th Amendment, also known as the Due Process Amendment. Alright, we're looking at what due process means as well. So this declared that the states could not limit the rights of citizens. States could not take away life, liberty, or property without due process of law or deny equal protection of the law. Then we're going to look at the 15th Amendment. So this is what gave all men the right to vote, no matter their skin color or if they had been enslaved. All right. Still, women weren't able to vote under the 15th Amendment. That's the most important thing to remember about that one. All right. So here's our vocabulary. So in order to understand those standards, so analyze. To analyze something means to study something closely or carefully, okay? All right, then we have effects. So effects is an event, condition, or state of affairs that is produced by a cause. Then we have reconstruction, which is our overall concept that we're looking at. Reconstruction in the United States history. This period was from 1865 to 1877. It followed the American Civil War, and during Reconstruction, attempts were made to redress the inequities of slavery and its political, social, and economic legacy, and to solve problems arising from the readmission to the Union of the 11 states that had seceded. So remember those states that didn't agree with the Union, those Confederate States of America. Remember how they ended up leaving the Union or seceding from the Union? But then after the Civil War, they had to join the Union again. So we're back at the United States. Everyone is united at this point. All right, so it's no longer the Confederate States of America and the Union. So describe, we're right here. So to write or tell about purpose, the reason why something, I'm reading another definition. All right, describe, to write or tell about. Then we have purpose, the reason why something is done or used. Then we have amendments. An amendment is a change or addition to the Constitution. Then we have due process. Due process is the legal requirement that the government must respect all legal rights that are owed to a person. All right, so now what I want you all to do, it should take you right to that link. Go ahead and play that brain pop video. So now you guys can tell me if this link worked. If not, then you'll have to go into Launchpad and actually open the All right, so now we're on the 14th Amendment. So the 14th Amendment grants citizenship to all persons born or naturalized in the United States. It guarantees them equal protection under the law. All right, so now everyone's a citizen. Anyone born in the United States, including Americans born into slavery here, became citizens. Congress also naturalized all African Americans who had been brought to the U.S. as slaves. They were all treated as citizens under the 14th Amendment. Congress also extended protection to all citizens that the government, including state governments, would not deprive citizens of their fundamental rights or property without due process. And due process is a fair trial or way to appeal. So equal protection meant that government had to apply the law to all citizens in the same way. So under the 14th Amendment, it's saying that pretty much everyone is granted citizenship and equal protection under the law. But we'll see how these amendments were saying one thing, but the people were still doing another, right, as we get deeper into the standard. Now we're looking at the 15th Amendment. So the 15th Amendment ensures all citizens the right to vote, regardless of race, color, or previous condition of servitude. All right. So servitude is pretty much being a slave or having to completely obey another person. All right. So under the 15th Amendment, let's go back a little bit. Did women have the right to vote under the 15th Amendment? It says all citizens have the right to vote, regardless of race, color, or previous condition of servitude. Did women have the right to vote under the 15th Amendment? No, not those. Only men, right? So before the 15th Amendment, many states in both the North and South had given African American citizenship, but not the right to vote. The 15th Amendment made it illegal to deny African Americans their right to vote. And this is our activity. So we're going to go ahead and match each amendment to how it protects its citizens. So number 1, 13th Amendment. You all may not be able to write on it, so we're just going to do it together. So the 13th Amendment, what would be its match? A, B, or C? You can unmute your mics. 13th Amendment. Remember what the Emancipation Proclamation did, and then let's think about how the 13th Amendment came and fulfilled it. What's our match? A, B, or C? I can't hear. I hear somebody trying to say something, but 3 is A. Number 3 is A. All right, good. So no person can be denied the right to vote because of his or her race or having previously been enslaved. Good, Keon. All right, what did the 14th Amendment do? About that due process. The 15th Amendment was A. So A is scratched off. B for which one? 1 or 2? 2. Remember the 13th Amendment ended what? It ended slavery, okay? So which choice over here best fits for the 13th Amendment? We're not using A anymore because we know that A goes with number 3. So number 1 is what?
C.
C. Let's think about it, guys. The 13th Amendment, it ended slavery.
B.
B, good, all right? Then number 2, what's left?
A.
No, we put A for number 3, guys.
Oh, C.
C, all right? So people born or naturalized in the United States are citizens and are entitled to equal protection under the law. So we're going to go ahead and go back to our nearby lesson. This pretty much is a breakdown of these Reconstruction Amendments. So just a recap. So the 13th Amendment banned slavery in the U.S. states and territories. The 14th Amendment defines citizenship and grants equal protection under the law for all citizens. The 15th Amendment gives citizens the right to vote, regardless of race, color, or previous condition of servitude, all right? So these 3 amendments were specific to African Americans, okay? So a way to help you remember this is 13, ban slavery, 14, citizenship, 15, vote, all right? 13, end of slavery, 14, citizenship, 15, the right to vote. All right, let's say it together. 13, ban slavery, 14, citizenship, 15, right to vote. Y'all got it?
Yes.
All right, are we ready to say it together?
Yes.
All right, 13,
Ban slavery.
ban slavery, 14, citizenship, 15, right to vote. All right, that's the best way you can remember those 3 amendments. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and try to match those pairs. Let me see if you guys have it. I know you do. If you can remember that saying.